best VFX scenes of Bollywood movies. These days Bollywood is doing some amazing works in VFX. We will be showing you 10 best from 10 different movies which were shot with VFX and green screen. Number 1. Bahubali. Bahubali has some amazing VFX shot scenes. But the one which will leave you in splits is Shivagami holding Mahindra Bahubali. Nobody would have thought that this scene was originally shot with a bottle of mineral water in hand. Then there are number of scenes in Bahubali which were created with VFX so accurately. Second, Kick. Those who have seen this Salman Khan starrer action thriller, we are sure they cannot forget this epic train stunt of Salman with bicycle. This scene was shot using chroma key wherein the train sequence was shot separately and Salman movement sequence was shot separately. Then both the sequences are merged together to get the final shot. Third, Ra.1. If you are SRK fan, you must remember this railway station sequence in film Ra.1. Guess what? This sequence is shot with half model of train and rest of the things were included though chroma key. Fourth, Zero. This movie was all about showing Shah Rukh as dwarf character and the team has done really amazing work. For every Shah Rukh sequence in the movie, they have created pits on set with the helps of blocks to and let Shah Rukh walk into the pit to make him look dwarf. And later with editing what we saw a finished part where we can't make out that Shah Rukh is not dwarf. Fifth, Krish 3. 2013 released superhero film Krish 3 has a lot into it. The most famous scene is aeroplane crash scene where Hrithik tries to stop the plane crash to happen. The whole scene was shot on chroma key by putting dummy wheels of aeroplane from up. Other than this sequence, there are lot many other scenes created in this movie through VFX. Sixth, Ready. If you have watched 2011 released Salman starrer Ready, you must be aware of this Salman and Aasin romantic yet frightening sequence. Guess what? This sequence is shot with VFX with a branch of tree. Rest everything in the scene were created through chroma key. 7th, Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. All the races that you have seen in Bhaag Milkha Bhaag have large number of spectators behind in the stadium. But in actual, there was none sitting in the stadium. It was all created with VFX. The same thing has been done for Chak De India, Goal and lot of other movies where large chunk of people are required but practically, it's not possible to do so. 8th, Cocktail. Anybody who have seen this movie will remember the scene where Deepika is grooving in the balcony. The balcony had hundreds of buildings in front of it. But when it was actually shot, there were no buildings but green screen. 9th, Oh My God. Nobody can forget the stunt scene shot in Oh My God movie, where Akshay takes on ride with Paresh Rawal and we saw one amazing stunt on the wall of bridge. But guess what? That was just a dummy low-height chroma wall, and the bike was raised from behind with the help of rope to show the stunt. The surroundings were later on inserted with the help of VFX. 10th, Special 26. Do you remember the scene of Special 26, where Akshay Kumar is talking with the officers with a large plane behind? Well, to hire such a plane was out of budget for the producers. So, they kept just a part of the plane, which was dummy, and created the rest of the plane with the VFX. That's it for today. Hope you found this video interesting. Please like the video and subscribe for more such amazing contents regularly.